Hello there, welcome once again to the David Wood Academy channel. This is another episode of our Learn to Read in 90 Days series. In this video, just like the previous video, we are going to do another CVC blending. That's 3-letter blend with a consonant, vowel, and a consonant. The vowel we are going to use in this video is the short O. O. We are going to use the stretching technique. This is exactly how the stretching technique works. This is a 3-year-old boy who can't even flip the pages, but using the stretching technique, he can read words. Log. Got. Ton. Mob. Mob. Nod. Dog. Dots. Rot. Lot. Rod. One. Not. Fog. Top. Hot. Job. Pots. Hop. Rob. Pod. Okay there, I hope you had fun. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Now it's your turn. Just go over the video and mute this video and see if you can pronounce all the words. Have fun.